have a small Weltmeister accordion. It has 26 keys in the treble with 48 bass buttons. There are 3 reeds in the treble, low and 2 middle, with 2 switches on the treble side. And I'll go through the switches so you can hear them. So it has musette tuning, and here is low and middle, master. On the bass side, we have our bass row, major, minor, and 7th. So this would make a very nice starter accordion for somebody who is just starting to learn. It gives you enough bass that you could play your major, minor, and 7th, which is good to have when you're first learning. It has a nice musette tuning, so I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.